Hello everyone, my name is Yurina Song, as introduced. I'm the very last presenter. Now I'd like to introduce you about the student exchange programs and multicultural environments at KAIST. KAIST has about 94 student exchange agreements in 31 countries. 54% exchange students are from Europe, 24% from Asia, 18% from America, and others. A number of exchange students has grown after English was adopted as a medium of instruction in class as of 2007. KAIST also conducts the TKT Campus Asia Consortium in association with Tokyo Institute of Technology and Tsinghua University. KAIST International Relations team administers scholarships for international students, such as Global Korea Scholarship Program, supported by the Korean government, Science Without Borders Program, offered by the Brazilian government, scholarships from the Saudi Arabian government. To maximize international opportunities for students, KAIST annually sends 2 postgraduate students to NASA Ames Research Center in the United States. We also offer an intensive summer school program to provide leadership and more diverse international environment. It's a 4-week program, and students are provided with opportunities to study global entrepreneurship and many other courses, not to mention Korean language and cultural courses. Education 3.0 is also available in global entrepreneurship, vector calculus, and programming. As for dual degree programs, KAIST has about 45 programs in 8 countries, including Carnegie Mellon University and TU Berlin in Germany. To better serve digital native generation of today, cyber dual degree programs with Technical University of Denmark and other universities are offered. One of the core benefits for participating in the KAIST exchange student program is that students can gain practical work experience at the world-best Korean corporations, and also research labs at KAIST under the professor's supervision. Korea's leading corporations such as Samsung, LG, and Hyundai are constantly looking for international interns from KAIST. Through these internship opportunities, students can gain hands-on experience and also adapt necessary business skills and social skills. Because KAIST is a research-oriented university located in Daedeoginopolis, known as Korea's Silicon Valley, many research internships are offered compared to other universities. Now let me talk about diverse programs for international students. What we need today in this globalized society is leaders with global mindset. Thus, KAIST offers diverse programs for international students, such as orientation programs, of course, family excursion, field trips, industrial tours, and also international festivals, and KAIST Overseas Networking Exchange, for short, KAIST-1. Through these programs, students not only experience Korean culture, but also learn about other students' cultures and learn to enjoy and appreciate differences and diversity. Other programs include the movie night, student mobility fair, sports festivals, year-end party, distinguished lecture series, and TEDx KAIST. In reference to the student mobility fair, exchange students get to have a chance to introduce their home universities to the KAIST students. This raises students' participation and also international awareness. Now let me present to you about multicultural environments at KAIST that have fostered students with global mindsets. Students are provided with the best multicultural environments for studying and living on campus. There are International Center, Global Lounge, International Kitchen, prayer room, student dorms for international students, housing for foreign professors and international scholars. Also, KAIST Institute for Interdisciplinary Research, KAIST Clinic, sports complex, and other sports facilities for students' physical health, and also KAIST Counseling Center for students' mental health, and International Students Club. Let me briefly talk about student exchange international student clubs. KISA is run by the international students and is involved with many activities such as international festivals, movie nights, and much more. ISO is run by the Korean students with the aim of helping international students. Important thing is ISO is the volunteering club. Now let me introduce to you about student testimonials that impressed me a lot. According to the exchange program survey result, exchange students particularly found that internship opportunities are enriching and valuable. Bruno Claus from Brazil, who was an exchange student in 2012, did an internship at an engine laboratory where he had chances to develop projects with university and global corporations. I found him to be one of the most active exchange students, and he took initiatives in finding research and career opportunities by going to see the professors, asking for the jobs in person. That's how he got the job. Another exchange student thought the need for expanding more Education 3.0 programs so that more multimedia resources can be utilized and education can become more interactive. In conclusion, KAIST offers innovative education and creative research to foster global leaders through student-centered learning such as Education 3.0 program, undergraduate research program, student-led international conferences, and volunteering jobs. With this, I'd like to conclude my presentation. I hope that this has helped you to understand how KAIST nurtures students to become global leaders. Thanks for your attention.